David Stark with the Bay East Association of Realtors here with a very special Bay East member at a very special event. This is Jennifer Branchini, who is not only a Bay East member and past president, but president of the California Association of Realtors. We're in this conference room in Orange County at the last C.A.R. business meeting of the year. You're kind of wrapping up your year as C.A.R. president. One thought for someone that might be considering getting into leadership.
Do it?
Okay, do it. So do it live.
Well, number one, it fills your soul. When you believe in our profession and what we do, your voice makes a huge difference and matters. And so the side part of it is the friendships and the connections all across the state or wherever you are. And that part is invaluable because your voice alone maybe isn't as strong as putting your voice with everybody together.
Jennifer Branchini, who is a full-time realtor, also wrapping up her year as president of the California Association of Realtors. And her words, if you're thinking about getting involved in leadership, do it. Thanks, Jennifer.
Thank you.